Oh yeah. We're at Mama's Luncheonette trying out the breakfast burrito and the chicken Caesar wrap. Very long line, but came out pretty fast. So let's try it. Here's the breakfast burrito. It has brisket and other stuff. I don't remember. Try it. Mmm. Yo, that's good. Mmm. Oh, there's avocado and egg, and I think salsa too. Mmm. The egg's perfectly cooked, and the brisket's good. Yeah, the tortilla's good. Might try it with the sauce. Try it with the sauce. Mmm. It's like a buffalo sauce. It's pretty good. They put a lot of eggs in this, and very good. I had a chicken Caesar wrap now. That one was good. This dressing's good in the wrap. And tortilla's good. I think there's croutons in it. And chicken. It's pretty good. Probably. Try it. It's a very light wrap, you know, for the salad. Hello. The croutons in that are good too. Mmm, very crispy. Now I'll try the chip. Comes with the Caesar wrap. Just a chip. Back to the burrito. I think it has egg, brisket, cheese, and guac. This is pretty good, I like it. All the toppings are very fresh. There's like a spicy salsa in here. It's pretty good. I like this one a lot. I wish on the Caesar wrap that the tortilla was toasted. But then the lettuce might get wilted, but a little toast would be nice. I'd say both are pretty good. If I had to pick, I'd pick the breakfast burrito. I like the fillings, very fresh. But the Caesar wrap's good too. Probably worth the wait. It's a little pricey, but tastes good. I'd say it's good. Good one. Alright, we're at Flour and Water. We got some slices. They have a restaurant part too, but then they also have slices. So we just opted for 2 slices. Got the a la vodka slice and then the margarita slice. So let's try them. Alright, here's the a la vodka one. It has the vodka sauce and then it has like sesame seeds on the crust, I think. It's a big old slice though. Try the vodka one. Such a big piece. The dough is really good. Nice and chewy. I don't really taste the vodka sauce that much though. This dough is so good though. Very thick and chewy. Not a very strong flavor though, but I like the dough. Now I got the margarita one. Has some cheese on it, basil. And it looks like the crust has like cheese on it too. Oh, there's a big old bubble in it. Yeah, this cheese crust, I love the cheese crust. It's like Detroit style. It's good. Really good. It's more cheesy than that one. The tomato sauce is good on this one. It's like sweet, not too sour. The dough. I think the dough killer. Makes it really good. I think the avocado one doesn't have too much flavor. Kind of lacking, right? Oh yeah. The sesame seed crust is it. Hey, this one's good too. It's kind of growing on me. I think I like both a lot. Yeah, they don't have many toppings, but I like that. I like the simple ones. See, when it's simple, you can really taste the dough, and the dough is the star of the show, you know? You can enjoy each topping. I like it. I like both the slices a lot. Very simple, very big pieces. I think the dough is like the best part. But like the sauces and the toppings are good. But the crust, very good. Thumbs up for me. We're at Kiss of Matcha. Gonna try some soft serve. We got the swirl. It's like half hojicha, half matcha. Big scoop. It's good. Good, nice and creamy. Good hojicha and matcha flavor. I think the hojicha is a lot stronger than the matcha though. Kind of overpowering. Not bad. It's pretty cool. Matcha, hojicha. It's cool. Pretty good.